It doesn't matter what point of the career you're in, work for free is not bad work. As long as there's something that is beneficial to you, to your portfolio, to anything, work for free is never bad work. It's only bad work when you don't want to do it, it's not beneficial to you. The main thing is, you gotta know who you're talking to. I can't stress it enough, delegate everything you can. And if you can't delegate, then understand where your limits hit, because the second you start doing too much is when a lot falls apart. Teams always get way more money. One person, they don't understand why we might need to give somebody one person 15,000, 20,000, 10,000, 7,000, or even 5,000. What does your work define? What does it mean? What does it look like to you? That's usually your non-negotiables, and that's a very broad answer. How much does this actually hinder your career? As a photographer, I think the most important thing you need to do, director, photographer, whatever, as a creative, is make the person you're working with super comfortable with you.